Hi guys, welcome back for another unboxing video. Let's unbox with my daughter today. We got random blind boxes from Fully Booked. It's really hard to get a queue number in Pop Mart pop-up store in Manila. Guys, we tried twice, but we are heartbroken. Without further ado, let's go. So this is Amira unboxing her Chaka blind box. Let's see what she'll get. Oh, she got rainbow! Next, it's a Kuromi blind box. I don't know what is this, but let's see what she'll get. She said this is Kuromi Fancy Stars. Oh, there's 6 figures you need to collect. So cute. She got one more box of Kuromi, so let's see what's next. Next is this Wishes series. I actually don't know this. But when I saw that there's Molly, I bought it. So yeah, let's see what I will get. Oh, so you can also get a secret. Oh my gosh, it's Molly! I'm so lucky! Oh, so you need to put this jewels inside. So cute. It's nice, guys. This is worth to buy. See, it's so cute. I love it. Got one more box of this Wishes series. Let's go. Who do you think is this? I can't wait. Oh no, so lucky. It's the monsters. She's a mermaid. Oh my gosh, so cute. This is really cute. I feel like I'm so lucky buying this random boxes. See that? This is recommended to collect, guys. So next is this Matchless 14th anniversary series. I'm a collector of Molly, so I'm hoping to get Molly. Let's open and see. It's Hattie Poo Poo. Oh no, he's a scholar of Grames. Next box! It's Sweet Bean. He's a heroic beggar, haha. This is nice, I love it. Next box! Oh my gosh, it's Molly! I'm totally screaming. OMG. Ha 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 ha. I'm lucky for picking this blind boxes, guys. So this is Drunken Master. Okay, final box. I wonder who's next. It's Kubo Space. So this is Maple Slayer. I'm happy with this purchase, guys. If you like this video and you want to watch more like this, please like and subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you on the next one. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.